Hey, it's Angelo's Edge again. I got an unboxing. It's a truly unboxing. You might notice the aeroplane I got sitting here. That's a what is that called? A P-40 Warhawk, World War II plane. So that might be a little tip of what might be coming up here. So yeah, look at that, pretty sharp looking plane. So I'll set this aside. But what we got here is in this box. Alright. From Blade HQ. It's only actually, it's my first true knife from Blade HQ. I got like a scale from them before, but not an actual knife. So, I want to set this up here. Oh yeah, you heard that. You get a chance after the video or during the video, ring the bell there. So, spin this around like that, and open this up. How we got this sealed up? We got it sealed up pretty good. There we go. Opening it up with the, oh, we got a lot of packing, with the Sanram Mu 1006. Pretty cool knife, actually. Dirty, it must have a lot of glue there. Alright, so set that aside. Packing. Oh, nice box. That's cool. Oh, we got a big box. Boker Plus. Bunch of packing stuff. Nothing else in there. Set that aside. Boker Plus. Got some German. Oh, let's see. There's a serial number. Alright, let's see. Spin it around this way. Oh, damn, it comes in a little case, Vicky.
Okay. Wow. Fancy.
Well, I came with the box here, right here.
Yeah.
I came with the actual case.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, Boker Plus. That's pretty sweet. I got a knife with actual, well, I might have got one, but not like this. This is cool. Alright. Oh, it's wrapped up. So you can put other knives in there. Looks like there's other pockets.
Oh.
Guess so. Here's comes wrapped up in its own Boker. Okay, it's basically you can put other knives in here. It's pretty neat. And here's oh yeah, it is the Boker Warhawk. It's the Boker Strike Warhawk. So, this pattern after this airplane right here. The Curtis, I believe, Curtis P-40 Warhawk. Right there, you see the eye sticking up. Alright. So it has a safety and... Oh, that's cool. And there it is. There's a spear point. Really nice. This is not really going to go anywhere, but it's just going to sit at home. So 453. So that's the red. So it's ready to engage. Just hit it again. It was a. You push the button down. Feels really good. really feels nicely made, you know. Just kind of soaking it in a little bit. Okay, let's see. Let's go real close with it. You guys can see a little bit of dust right there. The writing, right lighting. About that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not talking much. I'm just looking at has a lanyard hole. It would be kind of deep carry. It's a red pocket clip. It's just like a push button. It's an auto. So when you put this in, so it won't release, won't go out. Open it. It feels, actually, I think it really feels good made. Then I guess you push this in so it won't shut on you either. This is a form of a button lock you can see in there. The liners are not milled out, so the button lock pushes it. Yeah. Blade centering looks pretty good. It just feels nice and heavy. We'll set that right there. Put the camera on it. Go to Blade HQ. Let's go to scene 2, and so here's what it is. So let's go some specs on it. So this is a price was $54.95. Blade HQ exclusive. 7.78 inches long. Blade length 3.25. Blade thickness is 0.12. The material is actually blade material is D2. It's a dagger style. Flat grind. I don't know if it's flat grind. I guess it could be. I don't know. I guess it's flat grind. I'm not going to sharpen this. This is just going to sit around. Black finish, plain. Handle length 4.25. I don't know how long they're going to have them, but they have a smaller one, but I got elected for the bigger one because I thought it was cool. It's like kind of off of the AK. What's that called? Klinifikov or that?
I have to see it.
That Russian.
I have to see the word.
Anyways, it's supposed to look like the Boker, the classic one, like that, but this is like a little bit more. So go down. This is the Boker Strike. So let's see what. So yeah, so it's actually it's Boker, Warhawk. It's called the Warhawk. It originally came in the. I don't see it. Anyway, so they don't have that. They have this one and the mini one. See, Warhawk. There's that's the mini one that the Klinifikov. Yeah, so that originally the one I was gonna get originally, but they haven't had those. That's the mini one. That's a smaller one, but they had the original one that was a little bigger. So, but then they came out this Strike one, so that's why I got the Strike. It's actually come back to my screen here. So that's why I got this puppy. Let's see, I'm going to try something here. Let's see what it does for like carry wise if you're going to carry it. How deep carry it would be. That clip is strong. Ah, crap. Need a little something more stiff. How about this? Yeah, so that's what would show in your pocket. A red handle, so it would stick out kind of. So I guess it's deep carry, but that kind of would stick out. So it's ready to fire. It just feels nice. See if I can get in there and show you anything. Wrong way. So pillar, open design. These handles, don't look at, but they're aluminum with the steel liner on the inside. Oh, so I think it said it's 5 ounces. So it's, yeah, you hear it smack. Smacks pretty good. Yeah. So it's a spear point. It's already, I think they come tip. This one's came. So I think Blade HQ actually, I think I read that they actually put the springs in for you. I can't, you have to look it up. So I'm wondering if they put it so it's tip up so you don't have to switch it. But that's really cool. Yeah, so then of course it's locked in. Man, all right. You got this case here. I guess you could put, I don't know, you could put this in here if you wanted. I guess I could have showed you. It would have been deep carry like that. So then I guess you could put another knife in there if you wanted. I don't know. It gives you extra stuff, extra pockets, but I don't know what I use this for. A wallet? I don't know. It's cool. They stepped it up and give you this nice container, but I guess you bought it for the knife. Oh, here, see what I have see how I do a little size comparison. I don't have really, well, here's the Gerber flat iron. I got this just sitting here. It's about the same. Oh, here we can count. Let's go up here. We'll count for you. So it is 1, 2, 3, like 3. Like I said, I think 3 1/4 length. The handle. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 inches long total. So is the Gerber's the same, basically the same. Might be a little longer. And I got this one here. This is probably a newer knife. People don't really know, but it's actually pretty comparable to this CJRB. And then this is what I opened it with, the Sanran Mew. It's smaller than most of these knives, but it's actually a pretty decent size knife. I think it's not a bad size. But like I won't. This is too nice really for me to carry. It's more of a novelty. So, I like how the eye just kind of like is peeking out. Like I said, it won't fire. It won't fire with the safety switch on, but it's like, hello, I'm out now. All right. So, and yeah, all right. Well, tell me what you guys think about the knife.
Do you like it?
Oh, I like it. I love it. I think it's pretty cool. You want to see it over here?
I'll see it later.
Yeah, I like it. I'm not talking a lot because I'm just sitting there looking at it. Because it just feels, the aluminum handles just feel really good. It feels, I don't like something you'd have in the military, I guess. It's hard to describe.
Yeah.
The way the handles feel. Here, grab this. Here.
I'm grabbing it.
What I'm talking about.
Oh.
See how it feels like I don't know, grippy, but it's aluminum.
Aluminum?
That's aluminum.
Wow, it feels like kind of like rubber plastic.
No, that's
No.
that's aluminum. That's what's weird about it. You put the safety switches on.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like that. Did you show how that flips out?
Yeah, I've been playing with it the whole last like 12 minutes. That's all I've been doing is going, opening and closing it, and it won't shut. You can flip that off, and it won't let you shut it.
Oh, that's really neat.
And then,
Yeah, I do like the way that feels.
isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It feels weird, the texture of the
Oh, that's
the
really
green.
cool.
The green and I don't know. It's hard to describe the way this handle. It just feels cool.
Yeah, it's like some sort of
Like,
combination plastic rubber, but you said it's steel. Is that
it's aluminum handles.
Aluminum.
The
Yeah,
liners
it
are still.
doesn't feel aluminum at all. It
feels like
some sort of upscale.
I don't know. It's really just. It looks like a grenade. It like grip like It just
Yeah,
kind.
yeah.
But it. I don't know. It's really a nice feel. It feels like if you had this, it wouldn't slip out of your hand.
Oh, definitely wouldn't.
I mean, it has a lot. It's really ergonomic. And all right,
Very cool.
that was. What was that? That was Vicky giving some comments. Lemongrass Vicky. Lemongrass Vicky. Follow her on Facebook or not Facebook.
LGS Vicky.
LGS Vicky on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna close it up for today. But like I said, this was the Boker P. Well, let's see, what is that? It's the Boker Warhawk Strike. So, like I said, this is they made it kind of to reminisce this puppy right here. So there's what their idea was. So, all right. If you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge and ring the bell. See ya. Bye.